3D curved surface friction stir welding technology. Taiwan is the base of global semiconductor and electronics industries. In response to the rapid growth of information and communication applications, the limitations of traditional plain welding can no longer cope with the high-quality, low distortion and curvature plane functional designs of various new products. The Metal Industries Research and Development Center has developed the 3D curved surface friction stir welding (FSW) technology, the world's first application of recycled aluminum materials introduced into 5G signal measurement devices and low Earth orbit satellite ground launching devices. In the past, traditional arc welding was commonly used to join aluminum alloy measuring devices. Porosity and pore strength during welding and extensive distortion after welding are easily produced. The assembly precision of large aluminum alloy product is hard to control. Therefore, the Metal Industries Research and Development Center has developed 3D curved surface FSW technology in the structural applications and joining of recycled aluminum materials. It can quickly respond to the advanced manufacturing of satellite communication devices and challenges, thereby creating a safe and healthy working environment. From design to finished products, low energy consumption, green advanced processes in line with the key technology of axial 360-degree 3D curved surface FSW applications have been introduced to propose the complete customized solutions. In order to accelerate the product development time, welding process prediction management are adopted to create a 3D FSW heat source simulation model, taking the effects of heat transfer analysis and the mechanical effects of structures into consideration. Different FSW tool dimensions undergone numerical and systematic analysis. The analysis result feedback is sent to the engineering design end to adjust the clamping position of fixture, grasp welding heat input, and achieve product welding variability control. Through weld real-time servo compensation and quality monitoring technology, welding axial pressure parameters and control capabilities can be instantly monitored. Digital welding quality monitoring and feedback can be achieved, while curved surface structure FSW at different curvatures can be overcome, thereby improving the quality of 3D curved surface welding. Through special heat-resistant and multi-alloy tool material development, FSW tools with a long service life have been developed to enhance the wear resistance and heat resistance of FSW tools. FSW tool can withstand 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius welding temperature while designing high-efficiency FSW tool profile at the same time. The plastic flow efficiency of materials during stirring can be increased. Corresponding to the welding and manufacturing of 5G signals and low Earth orbit satellite signal measurement device structures with large dimension, high-speed FSW technology, and FSW tool dimension customized design have been established. The FSW tool profile and dimension optimization design have been added to achieve the high-efficiency production of high-strength and high-quality extensive satellite communication devices, while reducing the overall process energy consumption. Metal Industries Research and Development Center's 3D curved surface FSW technology can promote the value-added innovative application of recycled aluminum materials, solve the problem of downgraded use of recycled aluminum materials, realize high-strength welding technology, increase weld strength by more than 20%, and reduce process energy consumption by 40%. Through digitalization and energy conservation, low-pollution key technology in line with recycled aluminum materials and other models, assistance has been offered for businesses to develop technical skills in the key signal measurement field of the information and communication industry and enter the international supply chain. The green industry has implemented the circular economy to contribute to the resources and environmental sustainability. The applications have been extended to the 5G communication industry, national defense industrial technology, satellite communication, low Earth orbit satellites, and other applications. The industry's value-added and new production application deployment has been accelerated to gain the winning opportunity. Metal Industries Research and Development Center.